Hello, hello, this is Angela with Dogwood Paper Arts. Welcome to my channel. I'm back with the Waterfall journal and we are going to finish it up and take a peek at it and then we'll be done. That'll be nice, huh? So I've already sewn this one on. I had a rough time with it because I had to use a fat eye needle to get through this, to get this thread through the needle hole. This is a Pearl Crown rayon. It's very, very thick. I don't know if you can see how thick that is, but it's like a, you can almost use it for an embroidery. Well, it is for my embroidery machine. So, anyway, it is quite thick. So I still have this long because before I cut it off and fold it all under and everything, I want to sew this one on. I sewed the other one through all the thick pieces and I did not like how it looked on the back, so I wanted to hide this one. So I've done the front two on it right here. Right there. And now I'm going to move down to the bottom two holes. And you'll see me poke my finger. Of course. But it takes just about 3 passes through the holes to get it to stay sewn on. There, is that better? I have to sew in an upright position. Okay, one more pass and I think we'll be good. Got our little Sleepy Z here. Just going to run this under. This stuff will tangle really super easy, so you have to kind of treat it with kid gloves. Do one more of those. Okay, now I'm just going to cut that off. And then I want to put a little bit of glue on my threads because I don't want them coming off or undone. Look at that glue I got on my fingers. My goodness. Doesn't want to go away. It likes me. Okay, so just a little bit of glue on them. This is Fabri-Tac. I'm only trying to glue under the back side of the ribbon so it doesn't show through the other side. Okay, so I'm going to back you out because it's going to take a little bit of maneuvering. Okay, so what I need to do is to pull this down like this, and then I'm going to fold it back like this and see where I need to cut it off. So right about there. So I'm going to put this in here like this. Give it a little glue. Am I on film? Am I on that film? Okay, so this one is going to go from here to there. And then this one, we're going to put roll over. We're going to roll it over. Going to put it all over the top. Since this is a double thickness, I don't think it'll go through, but if it does, it should be underneath anyway. I want to pull that down so that this hole is open. I'm going to press it down. Peel it off of there. I think that will work. That glue is cold, so this little piece of metal is very cold. I believe that these are made for sweaters, to hook sweaters together maybe. I suppose you could use it on the back of a necklace to do a hook like that. It'd be much easier than twisting those little things back there. Let's see if it fits. I'm scared. It's pretty tight. But there we go. So perfect, huh? Great little closure. Okay, so we are ready for a walkthrough of this. I'll put it down here. So we have our cute little closure. I need to scoot this over just a little bit. And I went ahead and finished up the inside. It was just time to get done with it. Here we have a little journaling card. And then we have some thread and a butterfly. And just flip out and a decorated edge that way. Some little things on there. And on this one, it's on this side. It's a little tuck spot. And we put a little door in there. And then this was an extra door, so I went ahead and just put it in there. Here we have a flip out door. Now I wasn't going to add anything to it, but it really needed something. And I really feel like it needs something else on here too, but I'm not going to add to it. I just want it to be like a journaling journal because there's not a lot of pages in it. And then here we have our little vase of lilacs. And here we have the vase holding more ephemera. Just made with vellum. The vellum does show through, the glue does show through the vellum, unfortunately. But if I were to do this again, I would go ahead and put glue in between the two layers of vellum, and so that it would look like there was water in it. So here is our little weigh station. I guess maybe they have to figure out how many pounds of lilacs they have. Are they lilacs? Lavender. And here is our lavender farm envelope that was once a bank envelope. So we have lavender season here. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 16, 17, 18 writing pages in this little book. So that makes it really nice. And I'm just going to put that back in here. Here we put just a few little ephemera pieces. We put an August Edith Holden page. And this was just a piece of pre-bought ephemera that I had on in my stash. And then we go to here. We have our belly band. And here we have our cute little envelope. That really is a journaling spot. Very cool, huh? Okay, and then over here we have a matching tag. What's that? Is that a pencil mark? Let's see. It is a little pencil mark. It won't go all the way away. It must have been made with a long time ago with another pencil. So we have our pocket there. Here we just have some words, walking through my lavender garden. And here we just have a little emblem from the sticker sheet. And these are a little raised, less than a 1/16 of an inch, but they're a little like a card that sits on there. And here we have the chalk paint, and here we just have a torn edge with purple. So another writing space here. Lots of writing space in here. Maybe something, a poem or something could go in there. That would be very pretty. And then the other side of this page. And right here is the other side of the chalk paint. And I've went over it with matte gel. Here I've added a envelope. It's got its hole. We need to put a pin in it, so we'll do that pretty soon. There's the other side. Here's our pocket we made together with our big door. And that folds over. Lots of journaling areas. And let's see, in here I put a couple of pages of flowers. And this that says spring. And then there's a poem here. So that will be something nice for the new owner of this journal. And then here, I told you we would make a fold-over notebook, and I did. And right here, there was a little slit. There was a little envelope here, and I just made a slit in it so that I could insert more lavender. So there we go. Cute, huh? And just a little foot pad. Not very big, about 6 pages, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 writing sides, plus back here. And then more ephemera you can use. Lavender season, it says. Here we just have a little decoration. And let's see. Here I just put in a little tuck, and I put in some of the extra pieces. Kind of feel like we need to round the corners though to make it look a little nicer. What do you think? Yes? Let's stub this one. We'll do some different things. So that one's stubbed. And we will 1/2 inch round this one. There we go. And let's see. We might as well scallop this one like that other one. Like the pocket, the tuck. So there we go. So some pieces of ephemera for the new owner. And I just put this in for decoration. And in here we have another tuck spot. And I've added some more ephemera to it, another door. And here are 3 more pretty little cards that the person can use. Or put little notes on and mail them off to somebody. And let's see, we did 1/2. Let's do 1/4. And then I have one more. What should we do? Scallop? I love the scallop one. It looks kind of cool. See? They sure make these bunches nice. These just work and work and work. They're little workhorses, the little crocodiles. And then here I added another cart. And we open our door. And here is just some more decorations. Here we have a tag that needs a charm. And here, this is almost like a camouflage pocket. But in here we have all kinds of goodies. Here's another door or a window. Here's a journaling card, if you want to use it for that. And then just a couple more doors, but you can see that it's 2 pockets there. But I made them, the paper I used kind of camouflaged everything. But I don't mind that. I think that's fine. Now, this top pocket's open at the bottom, so it has a longer space for putting longer tags and stuff in. And then here is just a nice journaling area. Little painting. Here's the chair. I love the chair. It's so sweet. And the bar of soap. Right there. You want to see that chair again without my hand touching it? And then here I just put the word lavender with a butterfly. And then this little piece right here. And then back here is the rest of the ephemera that I was including with this. And so there it is. And so I suppose I probably should include some of this just in case they would like it for tags or something. And I wonder if I can Tim Holtz punch it. Or if I should just put it in here. Let's just put it in there. There we go. And that, my friends, is the end of the Waterfall journal. But don't leave yet. We still need a couple of charms. So let me grab some charms. If I can get out of this little place. Let's see. Whoops, almost dropped stuff. Oh no, not that. Nope, not in there. Hang on. Wait for me. Okay. Now, I don't know what I have in here. I have more charms than this, but they're over there. Way over yonder. Oh, that's pretty. Clock. Christmas ornament. Clock. Airplane. Bicycle. Purse to go shopping at the lavender farm. Tree of life. Windmill. Oh, a postcard. It says I love you. Oh, hey. Butterfly. That'll work. Goodness, something just hit my window. What the heck? If it was nighttime, it'd freak me out, right? But there are people out there. Keys. That's cute. The clock is too big. This clock is okay, but that would go in an Alice journal, I think. A unicorn. Oh, some little birds. And a butterfly. Maybe that. Oh, look, here's a cool rabbit. Harp. Compass. Ah, another butterfly. Let's do that. So, let's see. Do we have any? No pins in that one. Let me grab some pins. Is that this one? Yes. There's a pen. And let me see here. I don't know if one of these will fit on there or not. These pins might be too big for these little Swarovski pearls. Let's try it before we get too excited. Oh no! Oh, I don't want my dog to eat that. I'll have to find it. Not for the health of the dog. Oh gosh, this is tiny. I don't think it'll fit. It's very tiny. See, it won't go around that. Won't go around that thing. I have to straighten it out and put it back on. Nope. Okay, so that's out. Let me grab a different one. I'm not going to look for my lost bead yet. I wonder if those would work. chasing beads around in the box. Don't know if these little plasticky ones will work or not. I think they'll probably be the same. Yeah, just can't. Oh, wait. I got it. Look at that. I did it. Let's do a purple and a pink. One goes on, one doesn't. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so we have a purple and a pink. And then we have a cute little butterfly. Like that. And then let's put on another pink one. I don't know where I got these. Obviously had them a long time. A pink and a purple. I just don't want to poke myself is all. Okay. So I'm going to put that one here. I'm going to put a little glue on it because I don't like the thought of somebody getting poked with it when they open the package. So I always glue mine shut. Of course, you probably know that already. Whoops. And then I just like to put a little bit of glue in here. And then bring it down and glue it into place. Cool. Okay, you stay there for right now until you're all dry. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Should we do the same thing? Those are real pearls. That won't work. There's an eye in there. Not a real eye. I swear it's not a real eye. I would not do that. Okay. Purple. Oh yeah, we just keep eyes. We have Eye of Newt. Not really. No Eye of Newt. Ugh. Oh man. There we go. Purple. And tiny pink. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. And then a little Mrs. Butterfly. Just like that. And a little pink. That one looked like it might have been broken on the inside. I don't know if that's pink or if it's a purple color. To be honest with you, it doesn't really matter. If I got yellow on there, I'd go with yellow. Oh my goodness, you guys. I don't want to poke myself, is what I'm being careful of. Because these are sharp, sharp pins. There we go. Okay. Now, do you have a front and back? No, you don't. You're good. Okay? Oh yeah, that's your front. That's his front. Okay. Let's pull this out. I'm going to put this through like that. And put some glue around the needle. Oh yeah, it's already there. Shh, Angela. Goof. Okay. So there we go. So just a cute little butterfly flying around with a couple of little jewels on its head. So there we go. And that goes in this secret pocket right here. And this one right there. Those are not Swarovski crystals. These are just plastic ones, so you don't get that beautiful shimmer that you do with the crystals. Love the crystals. This goes on the bottom. Okay, so that is the end of our journal, and like I said, I didn't want to hang one of these down lower because it would just get caught up on the wherever you set it, you know. And we are going to attach that, and there we are. So thank you for joining me on this excursion of creating a waterfall journal. I've done waterfall other things, but I've never made a waterfall journal, so this is one for my list. Now, I realized today listening to Shannon at Mixed Media, Minnesota, that actually every page is cut exactly the same size. It's just how you fold it. So that could have saved me tons of time if I'd have, you know, remembered that part of what she said. But I did not, so I took the hard route. And it's a much easier one to do, so. But I appreciate you joining me, and I hope you had fun. I hope you like the closure and the rest of the journal, and hope you have a beautiful day. Bye.